Are the bottoms of your wooden deck stairs rotting away? If they are, this doesn't mean that you need to rip out the whole staircase, because I'm going to show you an easier way that's going to be easier and usually cheaper to fix it. So the first thing we're going to do will be to pop off the bottom treads and cut the damaged section of the stringer completely out. We don't want to leave any damaged lumber. And if the rot is really bad, make sure that you prop up the stairs with support blocks before you start cutting anything. Next, lay down a new base plate if you need one, because sometimes the base plate isn't going to be damaged, but most of the time it is going to be damaged. And make sure that you use treated lumber wherever you're going to be touching the concrete, and fasten it to the concrete using wedge anchors or pins. And even though some other people I've seen on YouTube recommend using sealant in between the bottom of the treated lumber and the top of the concrete, I'm going to pass on this because it sounds like a good idea, but in actuality, you have something that can trap water above it. And that trapped water is going to rot the wood out even faster. So think twice before doing it. Next, you can replace the damaged area using some of the examples that I'm showing you right now in the video, and make sure that you fasten everything together using heavy-duty screws and metal mending plates or straps or other types of building hardware to lock everything into place. But before you do all of this, try to figure out what caused the damage in the first place. Because as someone who has done a lot of these repairs, it's usually going to be a sprinkler that comes on every morning to spray your exterior stairs. And if you don't fix this, then plan on doing this all over again in a few years. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.